don't know if this is all frogs or what. We're right here by a pond on a back road, but you see the lights in the, I don't know if Katydids or what, but I mean, you see the lights in front of the vehicle. Wow. Gotta love East Tennessee, right? Wow. They're so loud. So what all do we hear here? What all do we hear here? Me and a friend is out here just riding the roads.
Yeah. I've never heard them this loud.
Let's ride here. Wow. You can see the water right there.
This other 17 years last together, they're really loud.
That's like my ears are hurting, man. That's deafening, guys. That's deafening. I'm just telling my ears are ringing. Well, folks, this. Wow, big clean windshield. Yeah, it's just kind of alright. East Tennessee, folks. Gotta love it. Tennessee accountability. Out.